Hi Boilermakers, we hope you had a great winter break. We're excited to see you for the start of the spring semester. Here's what you need to know right now from Purdue University. The spring lineup for Purdue's Presidential Lecture Series is out. The CEO of a leading global semiconductor manufacturer, the new head coach of the Indiana Fever, Indiana's Chief Justice, and the president of Caltech will join President Mung Chiang on campus this spring. Dates and ticket information is available online at Purdue News. The 2025-26 FAFSA is open. The FAFSA is the first step in applying for all federal, state, and Purdue-based aid programs. For applicants who met the November 1st early action application deadline, undergraduate admissions decisions will be released on January 15th. For students who meet the January 15th regular decision application deadline, decisions will be released between January 15th and March 31st. Congratulations to Vijay Raghunathan, Purdue's Vice President for Global Partnerships and Programs and Director of Semiconductor Education. He has been named an inaugural member of the Workforce Advisory Board for the National Semiconductor Technology Center. He will serve as a key voice in national efforts to build and strengthen the semiconductor talent pipeline. And as Boilermakers return for the spring semester, Dr. Jerome Adams shares tips on keeping safe from norovirus. Watch the full video on the Purdue News YouTube page now. Welcome back to campus and have a great semester. As always, Boiler up.